1. Strength training, not for looks, for self-respect. 2. Combat sports, boxing, MMA, Muay Thai. Nothing kills ego faster than getting hit. 3. Long-distance running. Quitting is loud. Endurance is silent. 4. Cold exposure. Showers. Ice. You learn fast. Discomfort won't kill you. 5. Music. Control emotion. Build discipline through it. 6. Combat-ready skill. Not aggression. Competence. 7. Solo hiking. No noise, no validation. Just you. No escape. 8. Build something. Wood, code, metal. Creation builds confidence. 9. Journaling. A man who understands his mind is hard to break. 10. Public speaking. Fear disappears when exposed. 11. New language, new words, new thinking, new identity. 12. Martial disciplines. Archery, fencing. Precision builds patience. 13. Early solitude. No phone, no noise. Clarity before chaos. 14. Philosophy and history. Not motivation, perspective. 15. Financial control. Track it, grow it. Control equals freedom. 16. Writing. Not for attention, for truth. 17. Survival skills. Fire, direction, awareness. The world is fragile. You shouldn't be. 18. Photography or film. Learn to see. It changes how you live. 19. Quiet service. No posts, no applause, just character. 20. Master boredom. Sit still, stay sharp. Most people can't. Pick a few, go deep. Most people won't. That's the advantage.